What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. Yep. God, I ain't gonna lie, I've been loving this thing. But I'm back with another POV. Yeah. This shit is way better than I thought. I ain't gonna lie. I downplayed it myself. But yeah, we about to do another POV. It feels good as hell outside. I wish I could put the fucking sunroof open, but I can't because y'all won't be able to hear. Hopefully I'll get like a GoPro or something soon. I should. Bro, I promise you nobody was on this road like 2 minutes ago. That's why I started recording here. This is ridiculous as fuck. But this is amazing. I need to vacuum this motherfucker already, and I need to wash. So be ready for the vlog. Yeah. And I had to break it in a little bit too, you know what I'm saying? So I might try to bat windows. Okay. Alrighty. I feel like this. I think this straight. I think this is straight. I ain't gonna lie. Might do a from in automatic. I mean, some slight shit. That's on. That shit feel good as fuck. This shit is so luxury, bro. You can do this shit and then just drive normal as fuck. Like nothing happened. Like, man. But let me know in the comments what I should get done to it. I'm trying to get a definitely a bubble tune for sure. Definitely a bubble tune for sure. That's probably the first I'm gonna get tints, bubble tune, chrome delete. I might get stars. I don't know. I don't know about this car now, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm gonna get in this one, but if not this one, next one for sure. Let me over. Let me over. My God, man. Like, for fuck's sake, Mercedes. Oh, I'm tripping. My fault. My bad. Okay. Yeah, I need something to stabilize my hand or my phone, cause damn, fuck. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm enjoying this. Honestly, I haven't really had no complaints on this whip besides the gas, but like no, I haven't had no complaints on this whip. The gas is great. I just drive like a fucking retard. So not even that. It's not even that, but I just be doing that a lot. Yeah. But sunroof hitting. As you can see, it's a sunny day. Light screen. Of course, the roads change to normal. Bro, this is ridiculous, gang. Like, this is absolutely ridiculous. It's actually hot as hell in here too, bro. I just don't know if y'all can hear with the windows down. Fuck. Gosh, man. Bro, I hate that shit, but I ain't gonna lie. I feel like that shit just don't upshift. I feel like that shit is stressful for the car. I don't like doing that. That was an automatic though. Oh there, buddy. Oh there, buddy. That can't be too much, right? That can't be too much, right? Alfa Romeos. Hey, go get you one of these for 20K, under 25K. They rent out great on Turo. Yeah. Italian vehicle right there. Very nice interiors. Yeah, man, this... Oh, I didn't even put this in fucking track mode. Alright, my fault. That was ridiculous. That was fucking... That's what it sounds like. Bro, that's annoying. That is so annoying. I just couldn't fucking use the paddle because my fucking head was about to fall off.